There are things you may do but must never speak out. There are things you may do but never speak out. 有些可以做，但不可以说。有些可以做，但不可以说。There are things you may do but never speak out. Certain actions might be tolerated or happen in reality. However, you are not supposed to talk about them publicly. Speaking them out loud could cause trouble, break unspoken rules, damage reputations, or stir up conflicts. It reflects an unwritten social rule. Keep sensitive matters unvoiced, even if they occur. Now here's an example. Parents might occasionally bend small household rules for their kid, such as allowing a little extra screen time. They do it occasionally, but they do not announce it. Otherwise, the child will demand this privilege every single day. We can do this sometimes, but we cannot keep talking about it. The action can happen privately, but putting it into words openly will create new difficulties. 有些可以做，但不可以说。There are things you may do, but never speak out.